laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass now your health. Welcome to the show where they always talk about well body, pleasant clothing, lifestyle. That's not what they call them. Now your health. On top today episode, if you get pikin, where it be like say, man, they do you go the one that say where this pikin from get this kind of character. Tabi get pikin where they always shy, he always keep to himself. If he's there in the midst of his mates, he no fit get mouth to even talk. They go they bully him, and you the one that say you just let me born this pikin. Peshimele, because on top of the episode, we will yarn you waiting the shell on top pikin and their temperaments, that being our personality types. This is your Niger Halfcast. I am me at the Luchi Inobong, and as usual, I cannot come to start the show with just me, just like that. Impossible. Ain't gonna work, won't gonna work, never gonna work. We are already joined together on this show and this show alone. After this show was separated,
Before.
you can come and testify. So.
Before. Oh, sorry. I don't know, say we don't start the show. How on a day? Now maybe your one and only Dr. Adora. And like Luchi Enobom tell you, today on top of the show, not a small matter. Just in case you don't understand why your child does the things that he or she is doing. Yes, in this show, we can construct English anyhow we like it.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll. Like egg roll.
Now why today on top of the show, we want to teach you certain things. How you fit identify your pikin temperament. And what's in the Oyibo they call them. Yes, why in they do the thing where in they do's. Yes, we want teach you how to identify them. On top of that one, we can't tell you the kind traits, that now the signs, the waka where you go to see, we go make you know, say, okay, oh, this pikin now, this temperament or now that temperament. Then the personality traits, how the in go they behave as person in by himself. You go know say, this one, if I mix am with this, mix am with that, then I will know that this pikin is either a sanguine, a melancholy, a choleric, or a phlegmatic, according to Ndi Oyibo. All this one are big English. We go break everything down for you on top of the show.
All right, so you know, say for you to first of all know your pikin temperament, that now for you to know the kind person where your pikin be, you get one thing where you go need to do. And that one thing I'm waiting, you go need to observe. You go need to shine your eye. You go need to watch her closely and slowly. And based on this one, if you look back to when your pikin be, they're really, really small. You go need to check some of the things we want list right about. And the first one, we me go first unleash, now the activity level. Now the level of physical activity that now play, if it be rough play, if it be soft play, hard play, still small play, if they get big play, that level. In level of restlessness, now me say the pikin, you know, they sit down one place, it's a bit turn, it's a bit roll, it's a bit move, or the way they fidget, or they shake, or they ginger. On top of behavioral things, those are things where you need to know because you need to check them out. Pikin, they always display activity level every single day.
Not be small matter. You know, say some children, if you look the way, you go know say this one. Be like say in be sanguine, this one, because the things where they do. So the next one, now the approach, the way where they take approach new stimulus, that now if new situation come, for example, new person, if you get a visitor for house, how your pikin they behave? You get the ones where they not sabi anybody, they not sabi the person, they never see him before. The way you go to run from kitchen, raise hand, say carry me. That pikin, you go know say this one is tending towards the sanguine. You go just as in you not sabi anybody. In fact, this incident remind me of what my nephew do for church. You see one man wear guard with better suit. I say this guy he get taste. If you see as he run pursue the man self surprised. As in, he follow, can't grab the guy for leg.
Imagine.
Now the guy carry and lift him up. So those kind of people, yes, they get what they want anytime they want it. So
the way they
approach,
Now your nephew don't get too much sense.
Before.
May borrow me small.
You get plenty sense already, you don't need your Then on top of that, when you get the children way, as person come like that, they go hug you, hold your leg, let's say person won't thief them. They say they won't beat them. They no go even, you say, come and greet uncle. You go won't enter inside your body.
True that.
That's one. You know, say this one is introverted. It's not the extrovert like the other one. You not like to greet, you not like to. So the way they approach stimulus, different. Some of them, they rapid and bold, while others, they slow and hesitant. but no,
I try imagine you be better when you be small.
Me, I dey introvert too.
You be introvert.
I don't get power for those things. Now people like you be like my nephew will go wrong, go.
I cry when I small.
You cry.
Hey, I don't want to catch anybody from my side.
People like attention, and then they cry too much.
The next one we call na adaptability. This one, they show the degree that now means the level of easiness, that been a difficulty where pikin they get when you don't adjust, they try adjust to new situation. Now means maybe they don't change one or two scenarios for inside the environment. How we go take adjust to them in response to Ramonko? You know, say get some pikin we right from when they're small. You gonna say this one, you go sabi beat mate. Or this one, you go sabi bully. Because on how when they change the matter for a head, hey, if you change and go like this guy don't go like you go come the answer, say which kind of sense you get like old man when a young pikin you be so. Now they call them adaptability.
You know, say these days the children where they born now, not be small something. In fact, I call them end time children. Why? Because the sense where they get now, not be here. Anyway, the next one where you feel used to judge when you observe, now be attention span. Attention. How do they pay attention to something? For example, if you give them work to do, say, make sure you draw this ball. Copy the ball as it is. You get the ones where you go give. They're not going to stand up from there. They go concentrate. Draw the ball well. Now melancholy, and then they behave like that. They go draw well. But in this sanguine, hey, draw this ball.
Yeah.
Sanguine go start. He go collect pencil. Not be say he ready to draw the ball. As he just want put pencil on top paper, go just hear one noise for you. Go don't drop pencil, run. He say, come back here. You've not drawn the ball. Mommy, I'm coming. You don't enter room, enter kitchen, enter sanguine. That's what they be. So you have to understand their attention span. Can they concentrate and do something once, or do they get easily distracted? Now those ones you go look to know, say, this pikin be like saying na so it be or na so it no be.
Another one, papa na the mood. Some picking them, you need to observe. Like you see that word don't come again. Observe the kind mood. Because some picking they no one catch any allergy. If visitor come house, piam is enter inside room. But some people, when they see visitor, I say, if they and someone, I say, well, easy. Put your hand and you go so fly easy. Some picking them now, so they are ginger be. And this one na the mood. Sometimes even the intensity also follow. That's not their energy level. Some picking it be like say their own hyperactiveness. Now from the moment when they wake, till they sleep again. Or how when the eye don't open, hey, the mama go here, because the mama no go even fit do anything till that pikin go back to bed. That's not intensity level, a level of energy and ginger when inside pikin body.
You get the one where they call sensory threshold. You know, in the Oyibo they can speak Oyibo. That's their language, they can speak it. But long and short, the explanation behind this one, they say, as this pikin dey like this, the way they respond to stimulus. For example, if you want to cool your pikin now, you get the ones where, you know when they talk say battery charge, battery no charge. You get the ones where you go tickle. Small touch where you don't give them like this. Hey! You go, they laugh, they dance, they play. Why some children, in fact, the one way I want to use where now, smiling. Some children, small thing, they are quick to smile. They open all their teeth for you. You get some. You go dance, you go turn to mumu, you go turn to everything. You go fool yourself, adult, fool yourself. When you finish the zuzu like this, the pikin will look you like.
You just look, you say, is that all you've got? Now all of yourself be this. I be keep anyone for us.
That one they call sensory stimulus. So thresholds. So I beg, check and where if your pikin be like that. If it takes a lot, God go help you as you raise them.
You get this last one waiting for you before we go back small brain. They call them regularity. That one means say the pattern, the kind of style where you're picking they do every day. If you be say the time where they chop, the time where they sleep, the time where they play, the time you just say small picking, they get their own time. Forget health. They have their own time. The time where they want sleep, not be the same time where you want sleep. The time where they want chop, not be the same time where you want chop. So all this pattern, you need to check them out to make sure say a regular pattern of the basic things wherein they do every day. Or how will you check them, you can categorize them. And that's the next bus of would enter, the category will one place to give you. But we're not going to talk this category now. We need to buy a small break. We need to go and drink some more coffee. We need to zip it because you children, you zap it. No, today is...
you are teaching up.
Ah, no, sir.
That's good. I'm teaching you well. We is coming back.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So, comot your shoe or leave am. Na your health don return.
Action!
I'm shy.
I just say what art film.
I'm shy.
Oh, no, shyness.
If you just join us, now still na your health. The only show we get your not be the only show. Man, not talk waiting not true.
But we are the only show. Come
we
on.
are the no. I want to say the only show we get your good interest for. That's not the get other shows we get. Let's not follow our brethren. Anyway, but say we love you and we want make everything we concern your well body and your lifestyle dey very casual. If you want chook mouth on top the matter we discuss today, we concern children and their temperament. How you want to understand why your pikin they do the thing where they do and why they behave the way they behave. Now we dey on top of the show today. So we are on the facing book. You can face us, we will face you. Then we are also on the Instagram. You follow us personally, bumper to bumper. If it's a Twitter, we tweet you and you tweet us back. And you fit even send us email. May we carry this thing to the next level. Right about now, the area we want enter now toddler personality traits, personality types. You understand the kind type of personality where your toddler gets for house. That's your picking with the house, baby toddler. You understand? Then don't categorize them into three and say one. One is the easy child. The second one is the shy child. And the third one, now the wild-spirited child. You understand? In this queen, they know themselves. Yes. And right about now, we go start with the easy child. Which one you be, Luchi?
I've been already tell them say they even don't know your own because as you start this other segment now, so you did they show yourself so you be shy.
It was before.
So now you know shy.
Now I'm not shy again.
Why shall I shy?
Why shall I shy?
Hey! My dear, let us start from the easy side first because this easy side, they say they're easy and happy. Or they are what? They call them, they say they are not fully teeth constantly. I know say my English, you be like say you don't understand that way. They say they are easy or happy children. That means say they wake up, most of the time they wake up from the right side of their bed, they eat well, they are cheerful, they're always ready for a new day. They say they are active, but they feel tolerate any change. They are ready to bend like a fish. If you bend and go left, they go bend. Bend up, they are ready to bend either way. And they like new people and new situations. So this kind of picking them. Anyhow you want to do, anyhow the wind blow, they go follow. Wow, they go spread their wings and so they fly. They know the quick verse. They know they easily verse. And according to experts, they know if you push them. You know if you say, come on, go that side. You come on, go this side. And how will you push them? This they go push it. Come on, you to go that side. Come on, you to go this side. You to go yourself. And so then be. Parents them, you just need to use common sense about this one, despite this particular toddler personality. Easy picking them. Sometimes you feel lose them for crowd. Because they're easy going, they go just flow with the water, flow with the wind. Before you know it, bam. If you leave them and then spend too much time alone, that one, especially with television, it is not a good thing. Or you know they get enough time with them, maybe you be their mama and their papa. Why? Because other children, because of the other children where you get to they demand attention, you need to find a way to create a balance. Just because they're easy going, if you leave them on their own to do their own thing, not me saying that so you go they leave them all the time. Because before you know it, they happen, they feel they suffer one kind level of depression or one kind of situation or the other at that small age. So at this point, you're going to need to check your eye, even though the picking they're happy. Oh, picking is all right, it's okay, it's doing good. Wash and observe.
Don't be small, wash and observe. Wash, open your eye and see what's in your child they do. The next one now, the shy child. Yes, I think I was shy. But I was mixed, it was a mixture. That my shyness, I still miscounts with some easy going, some easy something here. But you know, say 15% of children where they shy. What's in the happen? We say, then in fact, they're shy. Generally, 15% they shy, and they're slow to warm up. You go notice say you see pikin, they try getting attention, they try because he's shy. Not be saying no like you. He just they quiet and thoughtful. In they think. Say this auntie, they look you say.
So that means a person like you, person get for walk do like this so. Before they go make you laugh.
Yes, now. No. Not before they go make me laugh. Not before they go.
Or
before
make you
I go
smile.
gain their trust. Before I go begin play with you, I go don't look you. And so you be. na so you be. If you just maybe give me one chocolate, oh, I feel just leave my mama, follow you. Then by 9 months, most children, around 9 months, they smile to strangers. But shy children, they go just come off face, they go frown, or you go see them, they gum their papa or their mama. They don't go one leave. Say, which auntie be this one? I bet don't carry me. I don't know you. Where are you coming from? You understand? Then these children with this extra sensitive personality, then they extra sensitive to the feel of even their clothes for their body. You know, if the thing say, mommy, I remember one particular incident when I grew up. One cloth my mama wear me. Not this cloth where they get plenty nets for under, we go to chuk for body.
Yes, so they
oh my God, I cried that day. Plenty cry. Unto say, I know just fit. How can you give me? I want to be comfortable and happy. Which one you carry? Do you understand?
And you don't say, Dr. Jai, this you just remind me of this shy child. You get some picking them when the visitor they go, visitor go say bye bye.
Now when the visitor don't go,
the visitor go there say no see amo.
Now after the person don't go finish,
you go the wave. You go meet the door. You go the door. Bye.
After visitor don't go.
See you. Bye. I go say now what? I don't know. It's just enough for you.
I follow now. Now I they talk.
You do
all those kind of things I they talk. But as we grow older, get more confident and we are bold. These easy children too. Then they get transition time inside activity. Anything where they do, they go first recover. They're not spontaneous. Of which, as I talk, it be like I contradict myself because right now I'm spontaneous. I like to do things.
You be small, small picking. That's why you be small picking. Yes, you they change now.
Understand. So that this shy children, that they take their time from one activity. They know they like change. They don't like change. Change.
Even when our government
pun
is change.
Intended. They don't like change. Pun intended, they don't like change. I will say it again. Yes, these shy children, they know they like all those qualities. But the problem with all these kind of children be saying, they need to be shielded. You need to find a way to shield that you're picking from criticism and ridicule and rejection. They know they like, you know this stroke, whether they stroke person, they don't like her. If you just tell them by mistake, say your head is big, you don't finish. You know, go, if they work out, go put head down like this, you know, go fit. Because you know sabi handle all those kind of things. Or if person just reject them, say, go, I don't like you, you're not my friend again, I will not play with you. Go just enter inside in shell before you go come out again. So you have to find a way to shield them from rejection, from ridicule, and from anything. Criticism will go make them feel like say they're not that good enough because they're not fit handle all those kind of things. Unlike the easy child, where if you tell them that kind of thing, you not send you, which one concern, if you like talk your own, you go do what you want to do.
From that easy child, you need to enter this next one. Because it be like, say, I know somebody will be like that. This one they call them. This one they call them the spirit tabi in blacket, wide shade. They say now 1 in 10 toddlers, 9 they under this category. They say this one, now them be the roller coaster. Everything about them is extreme. They are high, na high. They are low, na low. They are up, na up. This one, if they enter your house, you go know them. If you get friend, we get that kind of people, when they enter your house, you go climb window, you go climb roof, you go climb dining table, you go climb here, you go waiting. Of all your
just they see one person. See. It's like all this thing where they talk, I know they see one person,
I think they see him.
One person.
I'm like this now, no Mr. Bide like this, and I be small. If Mr. was very, very warm and easy going, I be small. But as my eye can't tear, I can't migrate.
No. You.
No, I know I be worrying I be small, no doubt. I worry my mama well. But this one of up, down. No, I no be sure. Because they say this kind of children, they say that them be the more of all your children if you get them more than one. Now then they want more attention. Now then they want more challenge. Now then they give you more rigidity. Now then they do more everything for them. It is more active, more impatience. They don't get patience. Now then they do more impulsive. Now then they more intense, more sensitive. In fact, everything about them is more. So what we go tell parents we get this kind of picking and say, keep them active and busy. Can then go outside? I don't say gone at the days where people they play outside. Nowadays, you need to carry your children outside. It's not indoors, every time indoors. Make big breeze, may they blow them. Give them activity. So that their activeness, make them burn up. So that when they want sleep, they go sleep well. And also when people want sleep like this, after you sleep like this, you go peace. So if I be you, I'll gather that one we go put on top bed so that the piece no go wet my bed, finish on top the matter. At this point in time, Dr. Dora, I will not come to come and buy a small break.
We'll come and buy a small break. Yeah, we need to buy a small break. When we come back, we could just put the icing on top the cake, make you fall, you know.
Yeah, oh yeah.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
So right about now, I am an easygoing, but I'm not wild spirited.
If I hear,
What's happening?
yes,
I'm
if I
easygoing.
hear,
Am I not easygoing?
you will be shy.
No. At that time, I'm not shy anymore. I'm now bold, even though I'm not as
your
wild
eyes, boss.
spirited as this girl that is next to me
I'm
right now.
gentle.
Gentle is your name. I hear. Anyway, you don't hear all the better gist on top. Now your health today for concerning our children and their temperament. You know, say some them be the easy child, some be the shy child, and some be the wild spirited child. But then one, not they define one pikin alone. Some of these our children fit get 2 or 3, but one they very, very strong. The main thing we say, please, no try change your pikin. That's not the idea of this thing. Just understand how the pikin they function. Children are like flowers. You have to nurture them, you have to groom them. Love them the way they are. Whether they're wild, whether they're shy, whether they're easy, understand and work with them hand in hand.
Yes, exactly. With this temperament where you don't understand, you're going to need to understand your pikin so that you go help them grow, help them for their strong areas, and help them to even for the weak side so that you feel to support them on top the matter of every way concern their well-body. On top of the show, we always give you everything what you need for lifestyle and your health. At this point in time, we're going to need to do it. We're going to need to come up inside our studio. We're still enjoying our teddy bears, because we're in the week to celebrate the children. Until next time, we are no touch them. Would they go? Would they come out? I'm not the bad shy though.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.